Well, I just put LED lights inside the car. Look how bright it is. That's amazing. I had a whole bunch of extra ones from, well, I had these ones right here. They're the normal, if I can find them, the normal mini bulbs, these ones. And I had some light bulbs left over because I did the dash bulbs in my truck. I converted them to white LEDs because they were burning out and it just looks a lot nicer. And so I decided to put them in here and they worked perfect. And they're nice and bright. And then I had an extra one from the dome light in my truck. It came with two and I didn't need two. And this bulb type is different. I'd never seen it before. It has these little hooks on it and it goes in there and there's like wires in it that hook to this and it stays in there like that. Thought that was interesting. But the bulb I have for my truck is not like that. It's the same size. It's just a push one. So I got a tiny zip tie, wrapped it around the little terminals and squeezed it together, holding the bulb in there. I'll show you. You have to look at this. But yeah, there's the light. Very nice. And then I'm going to replace the little tiny one in the trunk with it. And I'll show you that too. But yeah, it's very bright and I like it. It also, watch this. So with the normal bulbs, when you would close the door, put this to door, the lights would dim and then shut off. And they still dim even though they're the LEDs. Just watch this. Once they start dimming, it does take a little while for them to shut all the way off. Okay, there they go. It's so nice. I like it. So yeah, it still does that. And it's like a spotlight when you open it. Here's what I did. You see the little hooks on each side? The bulb's supposed to go in there like that, but this one didn't fit. So I zip tied around the terminals there to squeeze the bulb in place. Now we'll see if it stays there when I go over bumps, but if I hit the roof, it doesn't budge, so I believe it'll stay in there. Now I just have to cut this little tail off and we'll call it good. Never mind, I won't be doing this one. It's one of those bulbs, and I don't have another one. That's okay. This one you have to turn on manually anyways. It doesn't come on automatic. Well, I didn't have enough bulbs to do this light back here, but I had enough for the license plate. Oh yeah.